God damn, Clint, you're shaking like a poodle shitting a pizza.
Yeah, I know it. I shake all the time anyway. Want to try it, Mom?
Is your pants unbuttoned?
You want me to do it?
Huh?
Is your
Deek hanging out?
is your dick hanging? He grabbed it with his dick.
Zip it up for me?
Your deek's hanging out. No, it's probably right on the head.
Zip up his pecker so he can shoot.
I could just see him with his beak out shooting.
You get that on film?
Yeah. Fuck, it's gonna be nationwide tonight. Here.
That was real intelligent. Ouch. I knew I was going to get that fucking thing.
Huh? What? Oh.
Corner.
It's okay, honey. It's okay, honey. Oh, gosh, scaring you a little bit. Okay.
Hit that bush.
Big fucking bullet.
Well, they are.
But these aren't loaded up very hot.
That's good. Yeah, she does. She jumps every time.